Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What we have on the bench is a Ryobi 1 Plus sander. And it doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it apart and see if we can fix it or fuck it. One or the other. So let's take out a few of these screws. They look like wood screws, hexagon wood screws. Got my little screw thing going so I don't lose any. Alright, 2 down. Seems fairly easy to pull apart. There we go. Will it end in victory or will it end in tears? We will find out. As to what happened with it, I'm not sure. This is not my tool. I did ask the owner, did he use it as a hammer or anything? He says he might have dropped it. I asked if he bought it flowers, he wouldn't confirm. But he says it should still work. He says he was nice to it. Last screw. Hopefully it'll just be a bad contact. Hopefully it's just taken a knock. Yeah, something's just dropped off. Alright, one out. So I've undone them, but to actually get them to come out, a bit of persuasion there. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Alright, so a little bit of rubbery grip on it. Alright, let's try for the split. Can we split? Is there any screws holding this pad on? Yes, there is. I don't know if this holds it together, so I'm just going to keep pulling screws until we have some luck here. Generally speaking, the more screws you pull out, the better. Okay. Okay. Alright, here we go. Voila. Alright, so there's our terminals, there's our switch. So big piece, smells burnt out. Big piece, a big rocker switch, as you can see there. So it's just a switch with a big piece of plastic that goes over the top. I'm not sure if is that on. That's off. Okay. Ooh. Fixed it. Cool. All right. What's our problem? Our problem is our rocker switch right here. It is not pushing. It is not pushing the switch in enough to move. So the whole machine works. It's just as you push it like that, this little rocker switch is not going back and forth enough. See that? It's not kind of doing it. You go straight over the top, it's not doing it. So our problem is the switch. This one right here. Does that work? Yes, 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 yes. It just doesn't like its plastic molding. So what can we do? Can't really break out the switch. I could replace the switch, but then it will require me to go get the exact switch off Alibaba. That seems to be working okay. It does seem to be working okay. Just needs a little bit more push down. I can see that it just needs a little push down a little bit more. So I think this plastic here, this plastic section here needs more of this. So I mean, realistically, all I can do is heat it up with the blowtorch and try and push it, or put a little tiny screw on top of it to give it a bit more purchase on the switch. Don't really wear the switch out quite a bit. Okay, but then I think the pull apart and put back might actually fix it, to be honest with you. I'll put a little bit of grease on it. It's moving. Maybe this switch was just full of dirt. That's the other possibility too. This switch right here, maybe it just had a lot of crap in it. If I hit it with some spray, it'll probably come good. Let's try that. Alright, let's just give it a little test here. That works. Okay, seems better. Let's pop it back together. So it's not perfectly fixed, but it looks like it was just the switch that was playing up. So by cleaning out the switch and allowing the switch to travel a little bit better, it'll keep it working. Modifying anything's going to be a lot harder, because if you modify it, then it'll eat away at the thing. Best idea would have been just to buy a new switch and put a new switch in, but that's going to take weeks at AliExpress. What I probably should have done is taken a photo, and then I could have bought one later, but we'll see. At least we know what it is. You flick the button back and forth enough, you probably get it to work. Alright, there we are. So the machine's all back together. We're going to throw this on top here. And here comes the big test. Will it work or not work? Worked for a second there. Alright, so working again. There is a couple of things we can do to square a little bit more through there. We know the switch is dicky, but I mean, we could actually hardwire it and then just use the battery, turn it on, turn it off like that. That's our next option. Or we could just get one of those switches from AliExpress and wire it in, which is the long-term solution. But yeah, it's working again. It's working enough to get it through the week, and we'll see how it goes. So that kind of be what the problem is. The little switch, a bit of gunk in it, so it's not flicking, rocking back and forth. The switch is not it's not a direct switch, so you're using this piece of plastic. That's what's, kind of throwing it out. It's all good when everything works, but after sliding back and forth a few hundred times, of course it's going to wear out. So let's see how we go now. Still a little problematic. Yeah, so gonna need to order that switch, I think. Anyway, that's a video on the Ryobi sander. It's 50% fixed. You just got to bring your hammer and give it a knock, you see? Anyway, either that or buy a new one. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.